Look at this real bullet point. Responsible for managing a team and handling various tasks related to project completion. That single sentence probably cost this person a dozen interviews. It's vague, it has zero numbers, and it tells a recruiter nothing about what actually happened. This is mistake number 1 of 5, and it's shockingly common. Here's exactly why it fails, and the other 4 mistakes hiding right next to it. Mistake 1, vague responsibility language. Words like responsible for, handled, and assisted with describe a job duty, not an achievement. Both ATS software and human recruiters are scanning for outcomes and numbers. Proof you did something well, not just that you showed up. This phrasing blends into every other resume in the pile, which means it gets skipped in the first 6-second scan. Here's the live fix. Responsible for managing a team and handling various tasks related to project completion becomes: led a 6-person team to deliver 12 projects on schedule, cutting average delivery time by 18%. Same job, same person, completely different impression. Notice the formula: action verb, specific number, measurable result. That's the rewrite pattern for every bullet on your resume. Mistake 2, missing keywords from the job posting. This resume says, built websites. The job description says, front-end development using React and JavaScript. ATS systems are literally matching text strings against the posting. If your exact terms aren't there, you get filtered out before a human ever opens your resume, even if you're fully qualified for the role. The fix: mirror the language in the posting, without lying about your skills. Built websites becomes developed responsive web applications using React, JavaScript, and REST APIs. Open the job listing, highlight every skill and tool it names, and check each one appears somewhere on your resume in the same wording. This alone can double your ATS pass-through rate. Mistake 3, burying your best line. This candidate's strongest achievement, a $2 million cost reduction, is buried as the 5th bullet under a job from 2019. Recruiters spend about 6 seconds on an initial resume scan. If your best proof point isn't in the first 2 lines they read, it might as well not exist. Placement matters as much as content. The fix costs nothing. Just reorder. Move your highest impact, most quantified achievement to the very first bullet under your most recent role. Same experience, same facts, zero new writing. Just cut and paste the strongest line to the top. This is the fastest fix on this list, and it takes about 90 seconds to do on your own resume right now. Mistake 4, generic summary statements. Hardworking professionals seeking growth opportunities in a dynamic environment could describe literally any candidate for any job. Recruiters read hundreds of these and their eyes glaze over instantly. A summary line should function like a headline, not a personality description. It needs to prove value in one sentence. Live Rewrite, marketing manager with 5 years scaling, paid acquisition from 10K to 200K in monthly ad spend. One sentence, one job title, one specific number, one clear scope of responsibility. That's it. If your summary line could be copy-pasted onto a stranger's resume without changes, it isn't doing its job. Rewrite it until it's unmistakably yours. Mistake 5, formatting that breaks ATS parsing. This resume uses text boxes, 2 columns, and a header graphic. Many ATS platforms can't read text inside boxes or columns at all. Entire sections silently vanish before a recruiter ever sees them. You could have the best experience in the applicant pool and still get rejected because a robot literally couldn't read half your resume. The fix: strip it down. Single column, standard fonts like Arial or Calibri. No text boxes, no tables, no graphics. Save it as a .docs or a text-based PDF, never an image-based one. It'll look plainer, that's the point. Boring formatting is safe formatting when a piece of software reads it before any human does. Save the design flair for your portfolio, not your resume. Quick recap: 5 resume killers, all on screen now. 1, vague responsibility language. 2, missing keywords from the posting. 3, burying your best line under weaker ones. 4, generic summary statements. 5, formatting that breaks ATS parsing. Fix all 5 and you stop competing with 90% of applicants. You actually start getting seen by a real person. Stop getting screened out in 7 seconds. Most resumes are rejected by ATS filters before a human ever sees them. Fix yours in one sitting with the Fix My Resume kit. For just $27, less than a single takeout meal. You unlock a 7-page optimization guide, a 120-plus verb bank, and the interactive bullet doctor tool to instantly fix weak phrasing. It is an immediate competitive edge. Grab your kit now. Link in bio and comments.